So, what is a transfer punch? Well, it's an excellent way to transfer the center of one object onto another. Let's say we want this object to meet up exactly right there. Without doing a bunch of math, we can quite simply lay it as is, take the appropriate diameter, which is matched up to the inside diameter of this, and then we can give a nice little tap to leave a mark, to which we can then follow through with a center punch. And center punches come in a variety of flavors, from spring-loaded to these solid steel. Okay, and these are typically made out of a decent quality tool steel. Same with these. These happen to be a low end, so the quality of the steel is not so great. But the same rules apply to all transfer punches, which is it's not a center punch. So here we have one that was misused. You can see it's got a flat mushroom on the point. It was welded on way too hard, compromising its accuracy compared to this one. You can see the profile of the tip is right where you want it to be. These center punches are designed to kind of drive home and make a nice indent into the material. That's what their job is. So, give a little example. Again, we want our part to be here, and in this case we'll use some marker to act as like a bluing dye. What I'm going to do is make a little rough mark and then kind of color that out. And we'll put our part back. Okay. Now, we'll take the transfer punch we selected. We'll just give it a light tap. Okay, and you can see we made a very light mark. Nothing heavy. And if we look at the tip, we didn't mushroom it over. Okay, and then we can take a center punch. And we can just eyeball that mark. And then if you go up the chain to larger center punches, we can increase the usable diameter of that point, which we can then take a center drill or a drill bit, and the point of that, give you something to hook up into. So remember, these are for light transfer, a light mark. Don't drive them home, even if they're expensive. Okay, there's not much support on that tip. Your center punches, those are for driving home and whaling.